Today's video is about 8th standard English poem To Leisure, written by William Henry Davis. Pre-reading task. You may have seen some children collecting stamps or gardening or painting or cooking or going for a walk, etc. What do you call all these activities? When do you think they have these activities? Do you think it is important to have leisure activities? Why? Do you have any activity like this? Which one do you like the best? Why? When would you like to do these activities? In your leisure time or all the time? Why? So the poem leisure means free time. So we utilize our free time in doing some activities which we are more interested. It may be art and craft, it may be painting, it may be gardening. So each and every person have their own work. So we'll see about this poem. Read and enjoy the poem. What is this life, a full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the bough and stare as long as sheep or cows. So the first four lines. So life is full of care. So it tells about the daily worries. We have plenty of problems in our life, the ups and downs in life, so that we face in our life. So that the poet tells about full of care. So we are involved only in those things, and we have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the bough. So we don't have time to stand and stare. Stare means look at with out of concentration. That is, you see something with concentration, you call as stare. And no time to stand beneath the bough. Bough is nothing but the branch of a tree. So when it is during summer season, when it is very hot, we go and stand underneath a tree. If we don't stand underneath a tree, you don't spend time to admire nature and stare as long or sheep or cow. We don't find time to spend the time and gaze into distance like how the sheep or cows, they are grazing in the field. So we don't spend time like that. Next one. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight, stream full of stars like skies at night. No time to see when woods we pass. Here woods refers to a forest. So when you move inside a wood, so woods. So what we this mean? If you find a squirrels, they hide their nuts. We don't observe all these things. Small things where squirrels move, the small things we fail to observe. So the poet stresses that people are in their own world, in their busy world, and they fail to observe these small things. No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. So when during daytime, when the sun shines, the light falls in the river. When it is moving river, and the water starts to glitter, so it will be glittering or dazzling. So that is observed, like that is like it is compared to a nighttime sky, how it will be full of stars. So it is compared to the daytime, when the sunlight falls on this, the glittering, it compares to the nighttime, how the skies appear. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Now they talk about the beauty. And watch your feet, how they can dance. So it's about a girl or about a woman, a girl or a woman. So how she is dancing, how her feet moves. Time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. So here how the beauty dances and she gives a smile. So people don't have the time, or they spend a little bit time to admire that. A poor life this is, full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. So from the beginning till the end, the poet uses no time. That word these words have been mentioned frequently. So he tells about the stress in the life, the stress and the strain in the life, how people are only involved in their worries and they fail to admire the nature around them. Small things which are around them, they don't give importance. They are only in their own world. They are in their own world thinking about their problems alone. Poem Leisure Summary. So this is a summary of the poem Leisure. Second and third para. And this is the last para. This poem Leisure is a 14-line poem, so it is known as a sonnet. A 14-line poem is known as a sonnet.